Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today's look is going to be a side hijab style. So I'm using a chiffon shawl here. So I like to fold it to get a pointed tip, and I'm going to secure both the sides with a small pin, and then you're gonna take one side and wrap it around your neck and take it out through the opening. So this part is a bit tricky and it has to maybe look a little neatly pleated. So I'm going to place a pin here to keep it in place, and then I'm going to layer this part into 4 or 3 layers. It's according to how you like it, and secure the pleats with a pin and the other side which was hanging around. So I'm gonna take it to the back over your head and cover it, and then cover all the pins at the back, and then you can use this part of to cover your chin. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.